Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video today we're back again with another reaction to Rammstein, and this one is Teil, which is meant to be my part, and I'll be giving a bit of background knowledge about this song before I get into it so I will understand it, because based on what I was told I probably would get a bit confused, but it's meant to translate to my part or my piece in English, and it's meant to be referencing a case of a German man convicted for cannibalism, and it's meant to tell the story from both perspectives. So this should be quite interesting. So let's get right into it for today. Like, definitely they pick a lot of interesting topics to make songs about. So let's get right into it. Let's go. And of course, we got another live performance. I can't wait to see this one. They always go all out for the live performances. I know I say that a lot, but it seems to be true. And that's a crazy description, looking for a well-built 18 to 30-year-old to be slaughtered, the master butcher. The drums are sounding so good on this song though. And that's one thing that really stands out to me about Rammstein, is they always go all out with the props. Like, you can see he obviously has like a bowl that he's going to cook the human in. Like, I love the way they go all out with their props on stage. This is what separates them from everyone else, in my opinion. And he's even got a chef hat on. And look at the size of that knife.
Weiche Teile und auch Arten stehen auf der Speisekarte.
Because you are what you eat. I really can't imagine what it would be like to be in that situation though. And this part is so catchy.
Ein Schrei wird zum Himmel fahren, schneidet sich durch Engelscharen. Vom Wolkendach fällt Federfleisch auf meine Kindheit mitgekleidet.
Is that the end? He's sharpening his knives, so it can't be the end, can it? Oh, he's got a flamethrower! Yo, to cook. And he's continuing on playing the keyboard. Oh, there's just flames going on like next to him. Oh, just the way he ducks down as well, like his speed, very impressive.
Das war mein Teil. Mein Teil. Das war mein Teil. Das ist mein
The way he's running like he's trying to escape like he's on fire. That is genius. Like he really seems like a victim trying to escape from the cannibal. Wow. Okay, so that is something I really didn't want to end. But what a performance that was. I enjoyed that so much. Just telling the story of, cannibal, like, capturing someone about to eat him. He's like, that's my part. You are what you eat. That's one of my favorite lyrics as well. But towards the end, that is my part. That part was so catchy. I loved it. As for the stage presence, always great from Rammstein. Like it started out, the drums were very prolific. I love the drums at the start of this song. And then he brings out like this giant pot. And then they start setting fire to it towards the end. And yeah, it's him playing the keyboard. But I love the way just the flamethrower is happening. And he kept ducking down. These guys are professionals, so do not try that at home. But that was incredible to watch. I love you never know what you're gonna get from Rammstein. They've always go all out with the props. That is what I like to see. And they know how to put on a great show. They always have great music as well, but their stage presence really is unmatched. I don't think anyone else is doing performances like this. If they are, let me know. I'm down to do some reactions. If anyone else is doing any performances close to this, I definitely love to see it. And especially towards the end where he escapes from the pot. And he starts running around like trying to escape from the cannibal. I thought that was really clever. Like he's on fire. They really do put a lot of effort into it, and it's great. As for the song, I found it really catchy, and it proves they can really make a song about anything, and it sounds good because this is meant to be based on a real case, and they definitely have some interesting songs touching on a lot of different things. You never know what you're gonna get. Like I really like the Hallelujah song. That's spoken a really important message, and it sounded great as well. So you never know what you're gonna get from them. Anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.